Potato and honey, green tea. Think- Okay, good night, everyone. Just gonna do a quick top-down analysis of what's happening on Gold. Actually, welcome to the NY session live stream. This is your host Jared, tuning in for NY session. So we're gonna quickly go through a top-down analysis of gold or NY session. But before we do anything, we're gonna check Forex Factory to see if we have any high impact news coming out of this session that would pretty much significantly affect volume. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, welcome to the NY session. So just looking at Forex Factory to see if we have had any high impact news coming out of this session. Today is the 22nd of February 2022. No high impact news coming out that would affect gold against USD for this session. At this point, as we can see over here, we do have FOMC coming out at 5 a.m. So I will be trading that. I will be waking up at 5 a.m. to trade FOMC. But as for this session, we pretty much have nothing as yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop onto the daily time frame, see what's happening on That we can clearly see that we have done potentially a topic on the daily time frame coming up to test this resistance area 1884. So we might potentially start flipping bearish at this point, to be honest. Yeah, we just have to wait for confirmations. Looking at the 4-hour time frame to the left and to the right hand side of the screen, we can clearly see that this 4-hour candle is closing in the next 13 minutes. The previous 4-hour candle closed bearish, creating some sort of resistance right over here at around 1837 200 area right here. We have the current 4-hour candle open at this point. If we do close above this range, we might anticipate the next 4 candle to potentially come off Elizabeth coming up to the top, but this is pretty much a pretty substantial rejection rate, I should say. I really have to wait and see how it closes. Looking, yeah. If we do close above 1837 150, then we could potentially drive up. But if we close back below, then it's going to be ranging at this point. We might potentially range until FOMC. Looking at the 1-hour time from now, we can clearly see that this current 1-hour count is looking to close slightly back in this range over here. If it does close back in the range, we might anticipate price coming back down to retest 1835. But we'll have to see how this candle closes in the next several minutes. If we close back in this range, we're still going to be closing bullish on the 4-hour time frame at this point. So it's going to be pretty difficult to detect where price is gonna go at this point, because we have the 1-hour candle closing back in the range, the 4-hour candle closing above resistance. We have 1-hour candle also looking to close back below support level area of here at 1840. So this might just be a huge fake out on the 1-hour time frame right over here for this next 1-hour candle to drive bearish at this point. So we could either drive bearish because of this 1-hour candle closing back in the range, or we could, if this 4-hour candle closes outside of this resistance area over here, we might anticipate the next 4-hour candle to drive bullish. So 2 different scenarios, but we just have to wait for confirmations on the lower time frame, see where we could potentially head to at that point. Just gonna drop down to the 30-minute time frame right over here on the right hand side of our screen just to see what's happening. We can clearly see that we have made a high and a resistance at 1843. We're retracing at that point since pre-NY coming down over here, tapping into 1835. We have this current 30-minute candle closing in the next 10 minutes along with the 1-hour candle and the 4-hour candle. So it's a bit of a tricky situation at this point, but yeah, we will have to wait for confirmation to see how things turn out at that point. Hey, what's up, Zippy? What's up, bro? Yeah, I'm doing good, bro. A little bit late onto the charts, but it is what it is. Looking at the 5 minute time frame, we have a minor resistance formed at 1837 right here. As Zippy said, I am waiting for the words amazing session, amazing. Yeah, bro, we'll see how it goes, bro. I think because we also have CPI coming out in the next couple hours. I am gonna be trading CPI actively, so I'm gonna be setting my alarm for 5 a.m. maybe get up at 4 a.m. maybe, but we'll see. Yeah, bro, for sure, I will, bro. I'll definitely put out a link if I happen to wake up early for that. I just realized right here. Sorry, not CPI, but the FOMC. I mean, FOMC coming out at 5 a.m. So Okay, we have we have 2 minutes on this for candle closes. I think I'm gonna be sticking to the higher time frames at this point. Yeah, I might get in on sales based on the yeah, I might get in on sales based on the 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour candle is closing back in this range over here, so I'm expecting the next 1 hour candle to maybe do a top wick and maybe pop bearish like this, coming down over here. So that's what I'm anticipating. This daily candle over here is significantly huge, but a significantly big rejection over here, so I think we will definitely get in on sales based on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour candle is a pretty strong confirmation candle, so I think that's what I'm gonna get in on. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, they just got in over there. Really gonna be focused on the 1 hour time frame at this point. Got in on sales right there, and yeah. Yeah, this is our trade for Asian session. Sorry, lunch, NY session. This is gonna be a trade for NY session. And we're gonna be looking to secure profits at 20 pips because this is NY session. Pretty confident in this trade. Moving in our direction. There we go. We're doing pretty nicely right now. We're at 10 pips at this point. I'm pretty confident in this. which means we're going to be securing profits at 1836.97, which is almost there. 1836.97, somewhere here. So if you tap 20 pips, we're going to secure profits. Our entry is at oh shit, we're moving very nicely right now. Damn, bro. Good. There we go. Almost. Just need a little bit more push. Just a little bit more push, and then we're gonna secure profits. Man, that was like full of minutes trade. And I need price to come down a little bit further. A little bit, just a little bit more. I need price to come down a little bit more. Didn't secure right over because of spreads. 1836.97. Right there. So just have to be patient. 38.97 was our entry. Yeah, we just need price to push down a little bit more. And my session, 20 pips. 20 pips shouldn't be a problem. 20 pips shouldn't be a problem at all. Nicholas, why you mention IC Market and Blueberry? What's up with those brokers, bro? Which one are you using? This right here would be a great opportunity to secure positions right over here. Actually very keen on securing profits once you start breaking through 1836.97 again. There will be 20 pips flat on the dot. We did tap into this level over here, it's just that we didn't care for the spreads. The spreads didn't hit, so if we can break through again, then I'm gonna look definitely at securing positions, and I'm gonna move my stops to break even. I'm actually gonna move my stops to break even right now. At this point, I'm not anticipating price to come back to entry. There we go, guys. Just secure profits right there. Amazing session. 1836.94. There we go. Secure profits at around 21 pips. Now we have the rest of our positions running. Amazing session. We're gonna be really focused on the 1-hour time frame here. And ZP, for the words you've always wanted to hear, amazing session, bro. Amazing session.
What makes us who we are, if not the way
Nicholas, yes, I am going to trade I will trade FOMC, bro. I definitely will. Look forward to it, bro. Gonna have some nice decent volume coming out during FOMC, so I'm looking forward to trading it, bro. It's gonna be great. This trade here, gentlemen, is the only trade for my session. I'm gonna keep it in one trade per session. It's good. This is a fairly simple trade. Hopefully we can have volume coming in at NYSE open. That would be great. Drive price further bearish. not bad at all, guys. We do have 30 minutes until this 1 hour candle closes. We also have 4 minutes until NYSE, until the bell rings, so see how volume comes in at this point. We can stay bearish, that would be very ideal. Don't like how these things are chasing at this point. Ideally, we like to stay bearish. That would be great. Or continuation of bearish momentum, that would be great. But if you do come back up, take us out at break even, you might start ranging until FOMC. So it was a good thing we've already secured profits. Right now we're just gonna see how our partials are doing at this point. Go. Now let's go. Not good. Yeah, we have quite a bit of indecision at this point. We also have this 5-minute candle. Actually, we're starting to drive now, I think. There we go. We are actually starting to drive now. It's amazing. This 5-minute candle doesn't look good. I mean, for a runner at this point, we might start driving bullish at this point. So this is pretty much what our entry looks on the 5-minute time frame right here. I honestly want these lows right here to be taken out. I want these lows to be taken out, and then I'll be confident price is going to come down to 1832. But this right here, 5-minute time frame, this is a mess. It was a good thing we secured. We've already secured profits, so. Yeah, this is why I don't like looking at the lower time frames. Just gonna stick to the 30-minute time frame. Actually, our stop loss is a little bit in profits at 1838.75, so 1838.75. Oh yeah. So basically, I'm not anticipating this 1-hour candle to flip bullish. So hence why our stop loss is at that level. There is a lot of noise on the lower time frame, so I think it's better we keep focused on the higher time frames. So we don't have a cloud of judgment. So basically we anticipated the 1-hour candle to drive bearish coming down towards this support level area at 1833, and regardless of what's happening on the lower time frame. So yeah, once we start jumping to the lower time frames, 5-minute, 50-minute time frame, then we have a cloud in judgment, and then we must have FOMO starting to kick in and all that shit. So 1-hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, just have to trust the high time frames. There we go. We're pushing nicely right now. I might look to secure some profits at around 40 pips. So when price comes down to 18, no, actually it's moving pretty nicely right now. I think I'm just gonna wait for this 1 hour candle close. Breaking below the yes 1 hour. Oh shit! I was a little bit too slow in securing profits right there, guys. Damn it! Honestly, wanted to secure profits right there on the break of the candle low. Might have missed it. We might have missed it. Yeah, actually, just gonna wait to see. Just gonna wait to see how this 1 hour candle closes. we go. Pushing nicely right now. At this point, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start trailing my stops on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So depending on how this 5-minute candle closes, once it closes, we're gonna look to trail stops. Okay, that's a pretty huge retracement, substantial retracement. Regardless, we are going to trail stops down to 1837, 784. Regardless. Yeah, we might start flipping bullish in this one. Whoa. Yeah. This could be a nice area to scale over here in the 5-minute time frame. Just saying. We have price making a low. Guys, our trailing stop just got hit at 10 pips right here. There we go. Amazing session. Trailing stop got hit at 10 pips. Still overall profitable for the session, so that's great. Great session, guys. I guess that was just the fake out on the 5 minute time frame that took out our trailing stops right over here. It is what it is. Yeah. Catch you guys doing FOMC. Catch you guys during FOMC, guys. Amazing session regardless. Anyways, cheers, guys. Catch you guys during FOMC. I might or might not be streaming then, but for those of you who haven't subscribed, if you guys want to catch me for FOMC, just turn the notification on. I'll actually be streaming live for FOMC, so yeah. Hopefully, can catch you guys then. Cheers, guys.